Urmila Matondkar took to Twitter on Friday to thank those who stood by her after Kangana Ranaut referred to her as soft porn star. Calling her supporters the real people of India, Urmila also had a word of gratitude for a section of media. Thank you to the real people of India and a rare breed of unbiased, dignified media for standing by me. It's your victory over fake IT trolls and propaganda. Deeply touched, humbled, Urmila tweeted from her verified account on Friday, tagging her post with #JaiHind. Commenting on Urmila's tweet, netizens shared love and support for the actress. Grew up watching your movies. My childhood has Rangila etched in my memories. Avoid all filth coming from fake media because goodness always prevails over the vices. I wish you all the best for your upcoming work in cinema. Also thanking you for entertaining us during 90s decade, commented a user. We are proud of you. We need people like you in our country to make our country great, commented another user. Meanwhile, Urmila also received support from several Bollywood celebrities and politicians all through Thursday after Kangana referred to her as a soft porn star in a television interview. Filmmaker Hansal Mehta feels we need more films to be made on the LGBTQ community. There has been an absolute change in our society as well as our cinema regarding LGBTQ people, but I really think that we need to make more films about them and need to normalize the subject as much as possible, Mehta told INS. Mehta made the widely applauded Aligarh in 2015, which is inspired by the real-life story of a professor who was suspended from his job because of his sexual orientation. From Dostana to Kapoor's and Son, Aligarh and Shubh Mangal Zyada Savdhan, a lot of films have been made about LGBTQ people. The stories have evolved with time for sure. Speaking of myself, I always try to tell our stories of our times, of our world. It's great if we depict society's reality through films, Hansal Mehta said. Hansal Mehta is currently directing Rajkumar Rao and Nusrat Bharucha in his upcoming film Chhalang. Actress Madhuri Dixit has been nurturing a passion for gardening all through the lockdown months, and she has often been sharing glimpses of her kitchen garden with fans on social media. Madhuri, who gets help from husband Sriram Nene and their 2 sons in her gardening outings, wrote on Instagram, "Setting up my kitchen garden together with the family. Never stop trying your hand at something new and interesting." Along with the note, she posted a video showing how the whole family gets involved with their kitchen garden. She tagged the post, #experience over things. Together we plant, together we see it grow, Madhuri captioned the video. The post currently has over 5 lakh views on Instagram. Amitabh Bachchan, who is back at work after recently recovering from COVID-19, is taking no chances on the sets and following due protection norms against the virus. A new Instagram picture Big B has posted from the sets of Kaun Banega Crorepati 12 has the veteran actor wearing a face shield. "Be safe and be in protection," he captioned the image. The Bollywood icon was hospitalized after testing COVID positive in July and discharged after testing negative on August 2. Actor Shahid Kapoor's wife Meera Rajput Kapoor took to social media to share an adorable picture of herself. In the photo, Meera can be seen goofing around with Instagram filter. However, it was her cute pout and wink that left the netizens impressed. Meera captioned the post, "Get moving." Meera and Shahid tied the knot in 2015. The couple has 2 children, daughter Misha and son Zain. Ishan Khattar and Ananya Pandey are currently busy promoting their upcoming film Khali Peli. Ananya took to Instagram to share a throwback video and picture from the film sets. In the video, Ananya can be seen trying to balance the coconut on her head, while Ishan can be seen recording a video. Khali Peli will release on October 2.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.